Today I'm showing you how my wife cooks chicken. Beside chicken, you can see first she washed chicken properly. Then she put oil in the pan and on the clay stove. After the oil became so hot, you can see she started stirring it. She added some spicy also, you can see here. Also some turmeric and chili, and she will mix everything well. And right now she is stirring it properly. It makes sound because on hot water she adds some water, and right now she started stirring it properly so that everything will mix properly. Now you can see she added some spicy so that it will be tasty. Oh, it smells so tasty. I can take. It smells very nice and taste delicious. Now also she added some ginger, garlic, onions. Also she used onions, ginger, garlic. Okay, still now you haven't used turmeric and chili. Do you wanna make it? Okay, okay. Right now you can see my wife is mixing turmeric. Now she is mixing chili powder. Okay, now you can see my wife add some chicken and she is stirring it. Oh, it's look very tasty and delicious. My wife cooking is very tasty. Her hand cooked food is always special and full of flavor. It takes 20 minutes. It takes minimum 20 minutes to complete.
Minimum 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yes.
40 minutes?
Yes.
Okay. I'm waiting.